Good morning. I am Dr. A. Kalai Selvi. I present the topic Data Warehousing Architecture. What is data warehouse? Data warehouse is an information system that contains historical and cumulative data from single or multiple sources. It simplifies reporting and analysis process of the organization. It is also a single version of truth for any company for decision making and forecasting. Types of architecture: single tier architecture, two tier architecture, three tier architecture. First of all, single tier architecture. The objective of the single tier is to minimize the amount of data stored. This goal is to remove data redundancy. This architecture is not frequently used in practice. Next one is two-tier architecture. Two-tier architecture separates physically available sources and data warehouses. The architecture is not expandable and also not supporting a large number of end users. It also has connectivity problem because of network limitations. Three-tier architecture. This is the most widely used architecture. It consists of top tier, middle tier, bottom tier. The first one is bottom tier. The database of the data warehouse server as the bottom tier. It is usually a relational database system. Data is cleaned, transformed, and loaded into the layer using backend tools. Then the next one is middle tier. The middle tier is the data warehouse is an OLAP server which is implemented using either ROLAP and MOLAP model. For a user, this application tier presents an abstracted view of the database. This layer also acts as an mediator between the end user and the database. Next one is top tier. The top tier is the front end client layer. Top tier is the tools and API that you connect and get data out from the data warehouse. It could be query tools, reporting tools, managed query tools, analysis tools, and data mining tools. The data warehouse is based on the RDBMS server, which is a central information repository that is surrounded by some key components to make the entire environment functional, manageable, and accessible. There are mainly 5 components of data warehouse, that is database, ETL tools, metadata, query tools, and data mart. There are 4 main categories of query tools: query and reporting tools, application development tools, data mining tools, OLAP tools. The data warehouse database. In a data warehouse, relational databases are deployed in parallel to allow for scalability. Parallel relational database also allow shared memory or shared nothing model on various multiprocessor configuration or massively parallel processor. New index structures are used to bypass relational table scan and improve speed. Use of multidimensional database to overcome any limitations which are placed because of the relational data model. Example, Essbase from Oracle. Sourcing, acquisition, cleanup, and transformation tools, that is ETL. The data sourcing, transformation, and migration tools are used for performing all the conversation, summarization, and all of the changes needed to transform data into unified format in the data warehouse. They are also called extract, transform, and load, that is ETL tools. ETL functionality includes analyze data as per regularity stipulations, eliminating unwanted data in operational databases from loading into data warehouse, search and replace common names and definition from data arriving from different sources, calculating summarizes and derives data. In case of missing data, populate them with defaults. Deduplicates repeated data arriving from multiple data sources. Thank you.